Good morning. It's 6:48 already in the morning. So, ngayon medyo madilim pa siya ng konti compare ng mga nakaraang buwan. 6:48 ay medyo maliwanag na. So, ngayon ay hindi pa. Start lang natin today yung day natin with a productive day. By the way, it's July 10. I guess this is my first vlog. So yeah, I guess it's raining today. Oh. And it is already raining. Hey! I'm done eating my breakfast na, so let's gonna put a off lotion cause madaming dengue ngayon sa area namin. Kailangan natin mag-extra careful and you should too. Bango siya. So let's get to work. Hi, good evening. I got my parcel today, so let's unbox. This parcel came from Temu. So let's unbox. Ito ay yung magnetic phone function. So, para makapag-vlog ako ng maayos. Let's try. So, ito naman is so beautiful. So cute. It's a kaso may damage. Sad naman. Pero okay lang naman. Oh, so cute. May maliit siyang something dito. Pwede siyang lagyan ng coins. Tapos ito din. Ang dami niyang packets. So, let's try. Cute. Pwede siya for everyday use. Wala siyang price. I forgot the price. So, that's all. Let's try it on. I found the missing piece. Okay, let's put it in here. Oh, ayun na. Then, let's push. Para hindi siya matanggal. Okay na. Okay. Ito na. So, ito na. Try na natin. I'm using my Ari phone. This is Huawei Nova 5T. So, let's try this one. Ito. It's magnetic. Eh. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh my god. So, tiks niyo ko. So, yeah. So, it comes with 2 magnetic something. Tapos, pero may magnetic naman. Pwede ko to. Oh! So, kapag wala kang mag-safe na case, pwede mo siyang gamitin. This one. And sobrang dikit niya, guys. Ayoko na siyang idikit kasi madikit nga. Hirap tanggalin. So, let's try this one. Yay! Okay. Nakita niyo ba ako? Oh my god! Pwede na siyang hindi naman siguro siya mahulog, no? I think. So, ako'y medyo kinakabahan, but parang hindi naman siya mahulog. Hindi ko siya masyadong pinush, but yeah. Medyo dumikit naman. This is the look. Did you see that? Did you see that? Okay. So guys, medyo madilim pa lang ngayon because brown out dito sa amin. So okay lang yan. Nakikita nyo naman siguro. I think I'm gonna flash. Oh, see? May bakat na, oh. So yeah, that's it. Oh. Prepare for sleep na ako. So yeah. So bago yun. Baka nagtataka kayo kasi sabi ko brown out dito sa amin. Gusto ko ipakita sa inyo yung key para kunwari may kuryente ka. Ito nga pala yung gamit ko, guys. Yan. Na-order ko lang siya sa Lazada or Shopee. I don't know. I don't remember anymore. But pwede mo siya tanggal. So, maliwanag. And meron siyang 3 choice. If gusto mo lang medyo dim, off. That's the highest level. So, yeah. Order na din kayo sa mga lagi nagbe-brown out dyan.
Ha?
Ayun, nagustuhan na naman ng mother ko.
Mahilig sa bag.
Hi everyone. I guess this is the end of the video. So, thank you for watching and please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I know this is a little bit boring, but yeah, please bear with me because this is my first time. And sa mga nakaabot sa video na to, I would like to thank you all for supporting me and watching the whole video, because yeah, as I was said before, this is my first time and I don't know how. Basta, yun na yun. And yeah, that's it. And good night everyone. Bye. See you to my next vlog.